Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download the CoinZoom app on your PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the App Store, and once you tap on it, you need to type in CoinZoom on the search bar. So once you type in CoinZoom, you can find app CoinZoom Feed Zoom Me, and you need to simply tap on the Get option, and after you tap on it, you need to now tap on Install. After this, you need to simply type in the password of your Apple ID, and once you're successful in typing in your password, your app will get installed in your PC. So once it gets completely installed, simply hit on the open button, and on the launch bar you can find the CoinZoom app. In this way you download CoinZoom on PC. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.